Can online marketing help a pastry chef? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. I came across a post recently where a pastry chef was wondering how to apply online marketing principles to her business. I thought about it for a few minutes and simply applied the same formula that works for any business, whether it's a physical store or a virtual one. If you think about the value that a professional pastry chef can bring to bear on an online bakery business, why would you limit the reach and exposure for that person to just those people who can walk into a store? Though there are certainly some bakery products that can be shipped, this is really a business where the products are best served fresh. So how to use online marketing to support a bakery and a professional pastry chef? First, if there's a local store, the same formula for driving local area traffic applies. Facebook ads with specific geographic targeting can reach people within easy driving distance of the store and increase local business for a very small budget. This can result in significant increases in local business. However, it won't generate life-changing income as you are back to selling your wares to the local community, and there will always be an economic ceiling to that effort. So how to leverage online marketing to really change your financial future? I've worked with 3 different brick-and-mortar businesses now to build a plan for them to expand and take their business from just physical products to include digital products. The first step, as in all the business models, is to grow your mailing list. You do this by running ads and giving away a lead magnet to collect leads. This lead magnet can be anything of value for your desired audience of potential customers. Let's create a PDF for this one called 10 Steps to Perfect Pastry Dough. Now that we have a way to bring people into our mailing list, what else will we market to them? People who bake love to get recipes. We can create a Recipe of the Month club, put a high price tag on it, and give it away for free when they sign up to the mailing list. Why free? Because we want them to always get more value from us than any money they spend. If you price it at $49 annual subscription and give it away free, they feel much better about you and the value you provide them than if you simply say it's a free recipe club. Now, they will expect to get at least 1 email a month from us with a free recipe. This means they will open our emails and they will keep us out of their spam folder. These are very important for email marketing. What else will we offer them? After they give us their email address and we enroll them in the Recipe of the Month club, and before they leave our sales funnel, we will offer them a 10-video lesson course on how to create the perfect multi-layer cake, like a wedding cake, for only $17. Yes, that's 10 video lessons for $17. Again, we're going to give them much more value for the money than they ever imagined, and this video course will have available some optional items they can purchase as well. Perhaps it's a kit with cake pans suitable for making a stacked layer cake, or hard to find cake toppers, or even ingredients that can easily be shipped but might be hard to source locally. When these can be affiliate products, all the better, as you will simply link to them and let the supplier handle the order and the shipping. You could, of course, create a complete kit. Just add the milk, butter, and eggs to create that perfect 7-layer cake. This kit would ship overnight to anywhere in the US and come complete with everything you need except the local fresh ingredients. This would be priced to make you a profit, of course, but the convenience of everything in all one box will entice many to order. This kit can be used along with the step-by-step video lessons to actually create a stunning multi-layer cake. Now, is this all? Of course not. You are a professional pastry chef, and remember, you are going to send the Recipe of the Month every month in your email autoresponder. With every recipe, you will make available the appropriate videos to learn step-by-step how to create whatever it is you are making, along with a box of ingredients and any other special offers that make sense. Now, along with your regular recipe emails, you will include kitchen gadgets and items that you recommend to round out their home kitchens. These will all be affiliate items, of course. So with every sale of these items that you do not inventory, you do not ship, and you do not support, you will be paid a commission. Now, in my opinion, pastries are best served for dessert or special occasions calling for a little something sweet with dessert wines or an aperitif. So you will make arrangements with a distributor of these fine items for an affiliate agreement with them, allowing you to extend your offerings again with no inventory sales or shipping overhead. Your customers place the order, you earn a commission. A number of your faithful customers will buy everything you offer them every month for many years. As you develop all these video lessons, you'll be able to start up new ad campaigns built around new lead magnets specifically targeted at these other recipes and offerings. You might have a lead magnet for 10 incredible phyllo dough pastries, or the world's best brownie recipe, or any number of enticing goodies that you will give away to gather even more email addresses to whom you will email every month or more until they die or unsubscribe. What else? You will offer online courses where you teach how to do all these good things remotely. You will record these webinars, of course, and then you can resell them one at a time forever. You will do the initial live webinar for a very low price to participants. Let's say a 2-hour webinar for $37. This will become a 3-part series. Sign up as many people as you want since they are all remote anyway, but generally you will limit this to a number whose questions are manageable. Your assistant will collect these questions in the chat window and help you to answer them during the webinar. These courses will sell on their own as replays for $7 each, and you will sell them to many thousands of people. You can create these video series using these webinars that begin as live versions of you cooking and answering questions, something you can do in your sleep, and your faithful customers will buy them with a smile. Every one of these digital assets can include a teaser video edited to entice the viewer to join your list and become a customer as you post a mix of teasers and full-length value-added videos on your YouTube channel and your Facebook page. You will do 10 to 20 second shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook stories and reels that will tease people even more and pull them into your lead magnet funnels without spending any money on ads. When all of this digital content is running itself, you will take your hard-earned vacation on the French Riviera, where you will learn even more techniques for fancy pastries for your next video training series, and you can write off the cost of your vacation against your mountain of new income. Sound like a plan? Sounds delicious to me. Online marketing techniques can be applied to any business model, and all it takes is a talent for providing something that the market wants, and the knowledge of how to apply online marketing principles to take your business to the next level. We have world-class training that can be applied to any online business at the link in the description. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, life is good.